What's going on, guys? Mechanical Mechanic back here again. Update on the mini bike real quick. It's come a long way since the last video, but it's painted. Everything's done. Engine's right down there. I did shave the engine cover. The switches are going. I gotta get a new pull rope cover. I'm gonna get a retro gas tank on that. But 8-shot. Name of the mini bike. It's gonna mount right back here. Got the revolver piece that I made with the 12 gauge end caps, brass pieces. It's gonna mount right there on the front of this. Little cover made for the chain guard. Had to cut this after the fact because it was hitting the bolt on the holds the clutch down. Didn't want to cut it, but oh well. Originally it did come down to here and sweep in, but you know, those last minute things got to modify instead of scrapping the whole piece. Overall, pretty pleased with it. Test drove the other day. It's pretty quick. Kind of scary, to be honest with you. But once I fully do get it put all together, I'm going to post a video. Probably my son riding it. Let him get the feel of it. And we'll see how it goes. Signing out, Mechanical Mechanic.